A year ago, I hit 1,000 subscribers and all of a sudden YouTube's asking me, can we pay you? And at that point, I started making a couple of dollars a day for people watching the videos that I had posted over the last couple of years. Now my channel has continued to grow, and this year I hit 2,000 subscribers. Actually, I hit 2,000 subscribers last week. Amazon reached out and said, hey, we consider you an influencer. Will you join our influencer program where product creators or product vendors can reach out to you, and if you make videos for their products, you can earn a higher commission. The commissions that I've found are somewhere between 10 and 20%. So what you see in front of me is essentially a small number of the products I've received in less than 7 days after joining the Amazon influencer program. What's not on the table is an air conditioner, an ice maker, a car cover that I haven't gotten yet, as well as a cargo net for the back of a Jeep Cherokee. Now, if I review somebody's product and I like it, and somebody decides to buy it, now my commission will be, instead of 3%, it'll be from 10 to 20%. So I hope this has been helpful. We live in a crazy world, and I hope you take full advantage of your skills and your hobbies and create a little mailbox money along the way. Post a question below, and if I can answer it, I certainly will, and good luck, everybody.